This photo shows the very organised scene at the Marine Colliery near the village of Cymru. The colliery was owned by the Ebwy Vale Company, and coal from here and other mines owned by the company was sent to the Royal Navy for their steam-powered ships. Before this could be done, the coal first had to be dug from underground. To do this, thousands of tree trunks, known as pit props, would be brought in on long trains made up of wagons owned by the company. These would be unloaded by hand and stacked neatly until they were needed underground. Once in the pit, they would be used to hold up the roof so that the coal could be removed safely and brought back to the surface, where the empty wagons would be waiting ready to be filled. The train could then set off to the nearest dock, where the coal could be sent off around the world. Today, this scene has totally changed, as the entire coal mine was closed and everything was demolished and cleared away. It is currently being used as a COVID-19 testing station. The only evidence that there was a colliery here are two monuments that mark the location of where the pit shafts once stood. These have been made from the coal mining wheels that once sat above the pit shaft and lowered the men into the pit to work.